So let's go over 11.1, posting to an accounts payable ledger. All right, so I pull up work together 11.1, and I've got my three journals here. My purchases, cash payments in general. So, and then beneath that, I've got my different vendors that I might make purchases from. Okay, so with my instructions here, just real quick as I'm pulling those up, just some basic things here. So we've got two things that are important, or just kind of key terms here, and that's what a subsidiary ledger is and what our controlling account is. So in this case, our controlling account is accounts payable, and then our subsidiary ledgers are all of these different ones beneath it. So accounts payable is just kind of our umbrella term, and then our subsidiary ledgers are all of the different ones that are beneath it that are related to the different vendors that we've got. Okay, so here we go. Start a new page on accounts payable for the accounts payable ledger for Regal Designs. So I pull up my Regal Designs from below. I type in the name of the vendor, in this case Regal Designs, and it says that it is 240. And October 1st, my balance is $877. Okay, so number one's done. Post the accounts payable credit entry in line 7 of the purchases journal. So I pull up my purchases journal. I got Regal Designs. I type in their post reference number, which again is 240. And then I go down to theirs. This happened on the 19th. This is from my purchases journal, P10. It's payable credit of 403.20. So I add those together, and that gives me my new balance, in this case, 877 plus 1403.20. 2280. So in terms of new transactions, there really aren't any on this. The only thing that's new here is that we're posting the things. So we just finished up 2. 3, post the accounts payable debit credit from the cash payments journal. So we've got electro supplies on this one. 230. Go down, hit electro supplies. And we've got a $776 debit from our cash payments. Page 15. Debit was $776. So our balance is 0. Okay, so 3 is done. 4, post the credit entry on line 5 of the general journal. So we've got a couple of entries here from the general journal. Make this bigger so I don't have to go back. All right, so electrographic supplies, again, we put in their account number, 230. This happened on the 26th. This was the general journal, page 11 from up here. And we've got a credit of $25.44. bringing our balance to 2544. Okay, our next one is art and things. So we pull that up, it's 210 from right there. In this case, we've got a debit on the 28th. Again, from General 11. A debit of 125. So we're returning merchandise that we didn't use. And we've got $748. I don't think that's right. Let me double check myself. Okay. All right, so we've posted all of our entries from our different journals. Okay, so we got general, purchases, cash payments. So we should be all up to speed here with our remaining balances. So the last thing that we've got to do here is create a schedule of accounts payable. So we start that by putting our business at the top, and then we've got schedule of accounts payable, which is what the thing is, and it's on October 31st. Art and things, and then I just go in order on these. Can do, Electro, and Regal. Okay. So now we just put in our remaining balances. So art and things, 748. Can do graphics, which we didn't mess with. There's 986. Electro supplies. 2544. Regal Designs. 2280. 20. For our ending balance of and that's it. Thanks, guys.